Philippine authorities say the official death toll from Typhoon Haiyan has risen to 2,360. The spokesman for the country's civil defense agency confirmed the figure early Friday, hours after the UN issued conflicting reports. In a briefing on Thursday, a UN spokesman said the latest death toll was 4,460, almost double the last official number given. The UN also said more than 920,000 people have been displaced, but many areas still have not received aid. According to the Red Cross, the preliminary number of missing as of Thursday remained at 22,000. That could include people who have since been located.